Hello dear friends, this video is about cal command and its examples. So let's start. Open your terminal and use command cal. This will show the today calendar months. Okay, let me clear, and you can use cal-3. This will show the last, the present, and the next month's calendar. Also, you can show calendar in the specified months in a specified year. For example, cal 10-2020. This will show the October months in 2022. Also, you can use cal with the year number. This will show all of the year calendar. You can show the month's calendar by command cal-m and the name of months. This will show it. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe the channel if this video was helpful, and watch the other videos. Thanks.